If you're experiencing login failures in FIFA 24, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or devices. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches or updates that may fix login issues. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help resolve login problems. For consoles, power cycle your device by turning it off and unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 5. Reset password. If you suspect that your login credentials may be incorrect, try resetting your password. Go to the EA account login page, select Forgot Password, and follow the instructions to create a new password. If you follow these steps and still face issues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Enjoy your gaming.